Full guide, how to fill poolside tile gaps like a pro. Step-by-step waterproof grouting tutorial. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on how to fill ceramic tile joints beside the swimming pool like a true professional. In this in-depth, no commentary video, we guide you through the complete process of grouting outdoor ceramic tiles near a pool area. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tiler looking to improve your technique, this tutorial will give you everything you need to know to get long-lasting, waterproof, and beautiful results. Why filling tile gaps near the pool matters. Filling the joints between ceramic tiles, especially around water-prone areas like pools, is not just a cosmetic task. It's an essential part of tile installation that ensures water doesn't seep beneath the surface, causing structural damage, mold growth, or tile displacement over time. Proper grouting protects both the aesthetics and functionality of your poolside environment. What you'll learn in this video: tools and materials required for high-quality grout work around a pool, the importance of choosing waterproof or epoxy-based grout for wet areas, how to clean and prepare tile joints before applying grout, mixing grout to the right consistency for maximum adhesion and flexibility, applying grout into narrow or irregular joints with precision, using the right tools, rubber, float grout bag sponge to achieve smooth, uniform lines, cleaning the tile surface without damaging the grout lines, how to avoid common mistakes that lead to cracked, uneven, or discolored joints, curing time and post-application care for outdoor grout, how to maintain grouted tiles in high humidity, UV-exposed environments, tools and materials you'll see in this video. Waterproof grout, cement-based or epoxy-based, depending on climate. Grout float or grout bag cleaning sponges, buckets for mixing and cleaning, rubber gloves and safety gear, utility knife or joint scraper for cleaning gaps, optional sealant for extra waterproof protection. Pro tips included. Throughout the video, we also share exclusive tips to help you work smarter, not harder. How to avoid air pockets when filling tile joints, tricks to keep your grout color consistent. Best practices for mixing small batches for precision application. How to spot early signs of grout failure, ways to extend the life of your grouting in exposed poolside settings, suitable for outdoor tile installations, pool decks and waterline areas, walkways, patios, and exterior ceramic or porcelain tile zones, DIY home improvement projects, new tile installations or grout repair jobs. Why our method works. This technique has been tried and tested by professional tile installers who work in harsh outdoor conditions, including high humidity, heat exposure, and chlorine contact from pool water. We emphasize waterproofing, durability, and ease of application, making it perfect for both seasoned professionals and those learning tile work for the first time. Watch until the end. At the end of the video, we showcase the final result after the grout has dried, highlighting clean lines, tight seals, and a professional-grade finish that enhances the overall look of your pool area. You'll also see how easy it is to maintain and keep it looking fresh year-round. No voiceover, just clear visual instructions. This video is designed to be globally accessible, with no spoken language, clear visual steps, and well-paced editing. Viewers from around the world can understand and follow along easily. Don't forget to subscribe. If you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly publish silent, step-by-step videos about tile installation, marble work, grout techniques, and exterior finishing tips. Whether you're working on a pool, bathroom, kitchen, or patio, we've got you covered with real-world techniques that save time and deliver professional results. Common challenges when grouting poolside tiles and how to overcome them. Grouting tiles beside a pool presents unique challenges that require special attention and care. The combination of water exposure, temperature fluctuations, and outdoor Conditions can lead to rapid deterioration if the grout is not applied correctly. Here are some common problems and how to avoid them. Efflorescence, a chalky white residue that forms on grout due to moisture-carrying salts to the surface. We'll show you how to reduce the chance of efflorescence by using clean water, properly mixed grout, and sealed joints. Cracking occurs when grout is applied too dry or when expansion joints are not respected. Our method demonstrates the correct mix and how to leave necessary space for movement. Staining and discoloration, often the result of poor cleaning techniques or using incompatible materials. Watch how we clean gently but thoroughly, preserving the color and uniformity of the grout. Poor adhesion, especially in joints with dust, moisture, or uneven depth. You'll see how we prepare the joints meticulously before grouting, which is the key to strong, lasting adhesion. When to use epoxy grout instead of cement-based grout. This video also helps you decide when it's best to upgrade to epoxy grout, which offers superior resistance to moisture, pool chemicals, and stains. We explain the advantages and drawbacks, how to handle epoxy grout properly, and why it's often worth the extra cost for poolside and spa areas. Best practices for long-term maintenance. After you've grouted your poolside tiles, your job isn't quite done. To ensure long-lasting beauty and protection, regular maintenance is necessary. Here's what we recommend. Clean the tiles and grout lines weekly with pH-neutral cleaners to avoid damage. Inspect for hairline cracks or fading every few months, especially after winter or rainy seasons. Reapply grout sealer once or twice per year to maintain waterproofing strength. Avoid using pressure washers too close to the grout lines as they can weaken and erode the material over time. Visual indicators of a job well done. You'll know your grouting job is successful when the grout lines are smooth, full, and evenly colored. There are no visible cracks, holes, or gaps. The tiles remain clean and sealed around the edges, water beads off the joints instead of soaking in. The overall look enhances the luxury of your poolside area, who this video is for. Tiling. Professionals who want to enhance their outdoor tile work standards. Homeowners who love to do things themselves and maintain their properties. Students or trainees in construction or finishing trades. Property developers and pool installers looking for consistent quality maintenance teams responsible for villas, hotels, resorts, and spas behind the scenes. Our team filmed this tutorial on an actual job site with real-world conditions, not a staged studio. That means every tip, technique, and method shown here is field-tested and proven. You'll see authentic lighting, weather interaction, and work conditions that give you the most realistic preview of what to expect on your own project. Why our channel is different. We focus on silent, high-quality tutorials that anyone around the world can follow without a language barrier. No voiceovers, no distractions, just pure, informative visuals that let the work speak for itself. Every video we publish is created with respect for the craftsmanship